Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add managers to your YouTube channel. Now if you run several YouTube channels or you have a channel but you are engaged in other things, you will need a manager who will help you to run your channel. Now to add them, the process is super easy. The first step you need to do is to go to your YouTube channel's homepage. Once you are here, you need to click on your profile icon. It's the top right hand corner of your screen. Then next you need to click on YouTube Studio and you'll be signed into your YouTube Studio. Right, next under your channel dashboard, go to a left hand pane and click on settings down here. Then on this window you need to click on permissions. It's right here. Then under your channel permissions, you'll be shown the owner of the channel, who is you. Right now you need to click on invite up here. Then on these windows you need to type in the right email address of that person you want to add as manager. Next below it, choose the role from this list you want to give access to that person. Each role has a different level of access to your channel. Right, for the sake of this tutorial, just click on manager, right, where that person will be able to do things like viewing everything and managing permission, where he can add another managers without you signing into your YouTube account. It will also have other access like going live, creating and deleting content on your channel. So once manager is selected, you will see this notice below here that you are responsible for the action of the people you give access to your YouTube channel. In other words, before you think of making someone as the channel manager, you need to trust them, right, so that they cannot mess with your YouTube channel in future. And once you invite them, the invite will expire in 30 days, right? So once you understand that, to proceed, just click on done and that person will be added below here as the manager. So just go ahead and finalize the process by clicking on save right here. The next here, you need to confirm your action by providing the password of your Google account. Now if there's any two-factor authentication enabled to your Google account, just go ahead and provide the necessary prompts to confirm your selection. Now once you're done, the invite will be sent to that person you want to add as manager. Right now, once they accept on their end, they will now start managing your YouTube channel. So guys, that's how you can add managers to your YouTube channel. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.